This is going to be a video tutorial on how to insert symbols and special characters in Microsoft Word. I will be using Office 365 software on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Word here. I have Microsoft Word opened up now. To insert symbols or special characters in Microsoft Word, first thing you want to do is select the area on your document in which you want to place the symbol or special character. Say that I wanted to place one right here. I'm going to go up to the top, up to the Insert tab, click on Insert. Then on the ribbon, you want to go down to the far right-hand corner, down to the Symbols area. And in the Symbols area, it gives you two different options, equations or symbols. I'm going to click on the one that says Symbols. It gives you a few options right here to select a symbol, or you could go down to where it says More Symbols. Click on More Symbols. That'll bring up a little dialog box where there's a drag down box here. You could choose one of these symbols, or down here it says Recently Used Symbols. You could choose one of these. Say that I wanted this one here. I'm going to click on that one. I'm going to click on Insert. I'm going to click on Close. And as you can see, I just inserted two of those symbols right in here. That is how to insert symbols or special characters in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.